Hello from Finland. Welcome to Hello from Finland and welcome to Bergamo, Italy. So welcome to Bergamo, an Italian town with 120,580 inhabitants, located about 50 kilometers northeast of Milan. And this is the main street of Bergamo, which runs from the railroad station toward the funicular station. This was my wife. So we're gonna walk from the railroad station to the funicular station that is gonna take us to the upper town. Bergamo consists of two parts: Città Bassa, the lower town, and Città Alta, the upper town. This is our goal today, the upper town, La Città Alta. So you see, this is my wife walking in front of me, and I'm dragging my feet. I'm trudging behind her, and this is the upper town. You see it? So we arrived. This is a small square near the funicular station, and here we start our stroll through the upper town of Bergamo. Blue sky, old buildings, cobblestone streets. Obviously, this small town dates back to the Middle Ages. And when you walk along the main street, you see side streets, cobblestone side streets. Here's my wife. She's gonna say hello. Yes, she's saying hello. Hello, my dear. Hello. So, as I said, cobblestone side streets, narrow, beautiful. Another one. And we keep strolling. This is the central square of Bergamo. And this beautiful building with an Italian flag and the European Union's flag on the front. This is, I guess this is the town hall of Bergamo. This is my wife again, you see. We're going to take you to one of the churches of Bergamo. This one is Santa Maria di Maggiore, which probably translates like Saint Mary's Church. We're gonna visit it. A beautiful chapel. Magnificent. And this one is called Martiro Alessandro, which probably translates like Martyr Alexander. So we are inside Santa Maria di Maggiore, St. Mary's Church. It's stunningly beautiful, and unfortunately my iPhone's camera cannot render the real beauty of the place. Another square in the central part of Bergamo. If I saw this narrow cobblestone street in someone else's video, I might have thought it was Tallinn or Riga, or probably Vilnius, but it's Bergamo, Italy. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. We are at the campus of the University of Bergamo. You see, these are students relaxing or reading, or relaxing and reading. We're still at the university campus and are filming from here. This was the funicular car operator keeping spirits high. So, our day's trip to Upper Town, Bergamo, is coming to an end. So, guys, my dear viewers and subscribers, please, if you liked this video, smash that like button. If you didn't like this video, don't be shy and smash the dislike button and write your comments, any comments, nasty comments, complimentary comments, whatever. So, and thanks so much for watching this video. By the way, about Italian food, pizza was disappointment. Pizza in Finland is much more tasty than pizza in Italy. Strange, but a fact, at least for me, it's my personal opinion. And ice cream, Italians call it gelato, was just fantastic. By far, by a long shot, the best in Europe. And coffee in Italy is fantastic at any place. So thanks again for watching this video. Hope to see you here again, and hello from Finland, which is our channel's name, and have a nice day, afternoon, evening or morning, depending on your location, depending on where you live and what time it is there where you live. Thanks again. Bye bye.
Yes, I saw one. There's a couple of them. Yes.